So we continue now with some more examples of factoring polynomials of this form x squared plus bx plus c. Again, this is another one where we can pull out a common factor. If you check each of those three numbers, 8, 8, and 240, 8 will go into all of those. And actually, there was a little left something out there. And also, as we look at these, x will go into each one as well. So we pull out our GCF, 8x. And when we do that, we're left with x squared minus x minus 30. And so then at this point, we're now going to look for things that multiply to be 30 and add to be negative 1. And you may want to pause the video and take a second to do just that. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you've discovered, as I have, that the two numbers we're looking for that multiply to be negative 30 and add to be negative 1 are a positive 5 and a negative 6. And so we've now factored this polynomial completely. We first took out the common factor, which is something we very often find ourselves needing to do. Not always, but sometimes. And then we factor what's left. Okay, so moving on to our second example in this video. Okay, so we have another thing here to factor, 3x squared minus 27x minus 108. Why don't you pause the video and take a moment to see if there's a common factor that you can take out first. Okay, so hopefully you've taken out the common factor and discovered that 3 goes into all of those numbers. There is no variable that's common, so just the 3. And so now I'm going to let you take a moment and pause the video and finish factoring this. And when you do so, hopefully you have done so, you will find that this will factor as x plus 3 and x minus 12. Numbers that multiply to be negative 36, that add to be a positive 9, and that would be a 3 and a negative 12. Okay, so hopefully with these additional examples now, you're doing pretty good with this type of factoring. We'll see you next time.